Hey there, business owners! Want to boost your online presence and attract more local customers in just 5 minutes? Today, I'm going to show you how to create your Google business profile quickly and easily. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need a Google account. If you already have one, great. If not, head over to Google and sign up. It's free and only takes a few minutes. Now, once you're logged into your Google account, go to the Google My Business website. You can find it by searching Google My Business on Google. Click on the link and hit the Manage Now button. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your business name. Make sure to use the exact name of your business as it appears on your signage and other marketing materials. Consistency is key here. After typing in your business name, click Next. Here comes the location part. If you have a physical storefront or office, select Yes. When asked if you want to add a location customers can visit, enter your address, making sure it's accurate. Google will use this information to help local customers find you. If your business operates online or doesn't have a customer-facing location, select No. Don't worry, you can still provide your service area. After that, you'll be asked to choose your business category. This is crucial because it helps Google understand what your business is all about. Type in a keyword that best describes your business and select the category that matches. Click Next to proceed. Now it's time to add your contact details. Provide a phone number and website URL if you have one. This makes it easier for potential customers to reach out to you. If you don't have a website, no worries. You can leave that field blank. Hit Next when you're done. Google will now ask if you want updates and recommendations for your business on Google. It's a good idea to opt in for these as they can offer valuable insights and tips. Toggle the switch and click Next. Alright, you're almost there. Google needs to verify your business to ensure it's legitimate. You'll be given a few verification options, usually by postcard, phone, or email. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the instructions. Verification can take a few days, but it's a crucial step in the process. While you wait for verification, you can complete your profile by adding business hours, photos, and a business description. These elements help your profile stand out and give customers more reasons to choose you. Be sure to keep this information up to date, and there you go. In just 5 minutes, you've set up your Google business profile. This will help you reach more local customers and grow your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tips on growing your business. See you next time.